Welcome to the assembly instructions for your House of Party Palm Paradise balloon creation. We will guide you step by step through the process of building your design. As you follow along, feel free to pause the video between steps if needed. Before inflating your balloons, please refer to step 2 on the paper instruction sheet for the correct balloon sizes. Use this guide while inflating your balloons so each cluster is made at the right size. Inflate 2 balloons to the same size and tie them together to create a pair. Inflate 2 more balloons of the same size and tie them together to create a second pair. Twist the 2 pairs together in the center to form a 4 balloon cluster. Next, attach 1 additional balloon in the center to create a 5 balloon cluster. Repeat this process until all balloon clusters are ready. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Tie together 3 uninflated 260 balloons to create 1 long balloon string. Attach one end of the string securely to the largest balloon cluster, which will be the bottom layer of your palm tree. Add the next cluster on top using the next smaller size. Press the balloons gently together and wrap the 260 balloon string around the cluster to secure it. Continue stacking the clusters from largest to smallest, wrapping the balloon string around each layer as you go. When you reach the final layer, tie a loop in the string to secure the structure. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Inflate the palm leaf foil balloons. You can use a straw or the included hand pump. Tie the palm leaves together in pairs, then twist the pairs together to form the leaf cluster. Using an uninflated 260 balloon, tie the leaf cluster securely to the top of the palm tree trunk. Adjust the leaves so they spread out evenly. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Inflate 4 coffee color balloons and tie the ends. Attach them underneath the foil palm leaves. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Next, fill a 10-inch balloon with water and tie it securely. Attach it to the bottom of the palm tree to help stabilize the structure. For extra support, you can also use self-adhesive hooks where the palm tree will be displayed. Your Palm Paradise balloon creation is now ready.